So good day, Miss. I am Carl Christian De Laguna, a student nurse from Math Doctors College. And today I'll be performing my return demonstration for oxygen administration. So, procedure: assess the patient's respiratory rate and level of consciousness, because oxygen depletion will decrease respiratory rate, mental status, and elevates the partial pressure of the carbon dioxide. Next is determine the current arterial blood gases if available, and then post no smoking signs on the patient's door, and then view of the patient and visitors. Because the oxygen supports combustion, there is always a danger of fire when oxygen is used. So next is show nasal cannula to the patient and explain the procedure. Because an explanation relieves apprehension and promotes patient's cooperation. So, good morning, sir. I am Carl Christian Laguna, student nurse from Math Doctors College. And today, sir, na-ako diri para mag-administer of oxygen sa imo through this nasal cannula, sir. So, kani sir, ibutang na ko sa imo ang nose, diri ang ang oxygen, sir. Okay lang, sir?
Okay.
Then make sure that the humidifier is filled to the appropriate mark, because if the humidifier is not sufficiently full, less moisture will be delivered. So this is my humidifier bottle. Next is check the oxygen tank by turning on the regulator gauge to determine the amount of oxygen on it. This is my oxygen tank. By turning it on, you have to turn it clockwise to turn it on. The next is attach the connecting tube from the cannula to the humidifier outlet. The oxygen force through water in humidifier to prevent dehydration of the mucous membrane. The next is set the flow rate at the prescribed liters per minute, and then feel to determine if oxygen is flowing through the tips of the cannula. Approximately oxygen concentration delivered by nasal cannula are 1 liter to is equal to 24%, and then 2 liters to equal to 28%, and then 3 liters is equal to 34%, and then 5 liters is equal to 40%. So by regulating it, you have to adjust it here. And then you fill the nasal cannula. The next is place the tip of the cannula in the patient's nose, fasten around the client's head or behind each ear. Position the cannula so that the tip do not extend more than 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch into the ears, and then ears. Then correct placement and fastener facilitates the oxygen administration and comfort to the client. So sir, butang na ko si mong nose, sir, ha? And then adjust the flow to prescribed rate. Encourage the client to breathe through his nose with his mouth closed. Keeping the mouth closed provides optimum delivery of the oxygen to the lungs. So sir, breathe lang ka sir sa ato ang nose, then close lang nato atong mouth sir no. And then determine the patient's comfort with oxygen use because flow rate in the excess of 41 per minute may lead to air swallowing and cause imitation to nasal and pharyngeal mucosa. If higher concentrations are required, it's an ultimate form of the therapy. So, sir, comfortable na sa itong na-feel, sir?
Yes.
Then lastly, record the flow rate, use, and patient's response. So, sir, okay naman yung mga na-feel, sir, no?
Okay lang.
That is the end of my return demonstration. Thank you, Miss, and thank you, everyone.